These are the Plaintiff Squared frames, and I will show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to unscrew the little screw that attaches the temple and the front of the frame. So you go ahead and take the screwdriver, just unscrew it, not all the way because you want to make sure that the screw does not get lost, and you just and then you just pop out the lens. Now, to install the lens, you just line up all of the edges with the grooves in the frame, and you kind of just pop them in. You'll hear a click or two, and you are going to take this screwdriver again, and you're just going to make sure that the frame is secure, and then you just tighten up the screw. And that's it.